Machine IQ is a digital product for our customers that really helps them manage the information coming off their machines. Customers are wanting more information to better run their business and their operation, and that's what our team's focused on. As part of Machine IQ, we offer a basic package or a basic subscription, and that comes for 3 years for free to all customers that purchase a new machine. Not only does it offer them GPS tracking like a typical telematics solution would, but it offers them information about what's happening on their machine.
The owner has the ability to log in, find the last reported location, and I've had many stories where dealers and customers have told me that using Machine IQ has enabled them to recover their machine, and it was protecting their investment.
So operating hours, that's just the number of engine hours on the machine. As it runs, you accumulate more engine hours. Obviously, you need to do service on it, make sure it's running as well as it should be. And we really use that to inform users of where they're at in their service intervals.
There's a lot of different benefits just by accessing that information. I can see how much fuel is in my machine, so I know if I need to plan my day accordingly and bring fuel.
You can see what is happening on your machine as we're getting information from that machine, and you can make sure you're keeping your machine up to date as is needed.
Machine IQ is really a tool that helps customers focus on solving any issues that arise in their equipment, getting instant support from their dealers, and also the peace of mind of making sure that their equipment is where it's supposed to be.